back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I am bringing you 3 easy, healthy, and inexpensive school lunch ideas. I know some people have started school and some people don't start till September, but I thought I would go ahead and bring you this video anyways. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you are new, tap that bell notification, and let's get started.
So the first thing that we are going to make are these kids' sushi rolls. You're going to need some tortillas. I'm just using these flour tortillas from Costco. You're also going to need some cream cheese spread. I'm just using this Philadelphia original cream cheese spread, also from Costco. You're going to lay down the tortilla and cover it with the cream cheese spread. You can use as much or as little as you like. Next, you're going to need some lunch meat. I am using this turkey breast from Costco, but you can use whatever you like. You're also going to need a bell pepper. You're going to lay down the lunch meat on top of the tortilla and then slice the bell pepper and lay the bell pepper on top of the tortilla. I used about 1/4 of a bell pepper here. This is what it looks like all assembled. And you're going to roll it up nice and tight like you would a sushi roll. And I just slice it up using a very sharp knife. Next, you're going to use some yogurt. I'm using this Oikos mixed berry yogurt. The yogurt with some berries and celery with the sandwich on the side. This is my version of a PB&J sandwich. I like to use the Jif peanut butter and creamy and strawberry jam. I like to get the peanut butter all over the tortilla to make sure that the tortilla is nice and moist. And then I'm just following it up with some jam. I fold it in half and cut it into triangles. Then I just put some of that yogurt and sliced bananas on the side. Next is a kid's bento box. You'll need some pretzel sticks, and I just assembled it with some celery, some sliced bananas, and some peanut butter on the side. These are great and kids love them. There you have it. Those are my 3 easy, healthy, and inexpensive lunch ideas for kids. I hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys later.